What if I told you there's something sitting in your medicine cabinet right now that could protect every plant in your garden from pests and disease? And it costs less than 30 pence? Not a fancy spray from the garden center. Not some exotic neem oil you have to order online. It's aspirin. Plain, boring, headache aspirin. And before you click off thinking this is nonsense, stick with me because the science behind this one is genuinely fascinating. Crushing up a few aspirin tablets might just be the unexpected gardening hack your vegetable patch needs this spring. Aspirin water can boost plant growth, speed up germination, and even ward off pests and disease. Here's what's actually going on. Aspirin contains acetyl-salicylic acid. When you dissolve it in water, it breaks down into something called salicylic acid. Now here's the cool part. Salicylic acid is the exact same chemical hormone that plants produce naturally when they're under attack. When a plant is stressed by drought, munched by insects, or hit by fungal blight, it releases salicylic acid as an internal alarm signal, basically telling itself to go into defense mode. When you spray a diluted aspirin solution onto your plants, you're essentially triggering that same alarm artificially. The plant thinks it's under threat and activates its natural immune system. The result? It becomes tougher, less appealing to pests, and more resistant to disease. You're not poisoning the bugs. You're making your plants fight back themselves. So how do you actually use it? It's incredibly simple. Grab standard uncoated aspirin tablets, 325 milligrams. Don't use coated ones. They don't dissolve properly and contain extra additives you don't want on your plants. Crush one tablet and dissolve it thoroughly into 1 gallon of water. That's about 4.5 liters. Pour it into a garden spray bottle, then spray it directly onto your plant leaves. And this is important. Cover both the tops and the undersides. That's where pests love to hide. Do this early morning or late evening so the sun doesn't scorch the wet leaves. Then repeat every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season. That's it. 1 tablet, 1 gallon of water. Done. Now, a couple of things you absolutely must not skip. First, don't overdose. More is not better here. Too much aspirin will actually burn your leaves, cause yellowing, and damage the very plants you're trying to protect. Second, always test one leaf first. Spray a single leaf, wait 48 hours, and check for any bad reactions before you treat the whole plant. And third, be realistic about what this does. This is a preventative, not a cure. If you already have a full-blown aphid invasion swarming your roses, aspirin spray alone won't save you. This is about building your plant's defenses before the problem hits. So next time you're in the chemist, grab an extra box of aspirin. Not for you, for your garden. Your plants will genuinely thank you for it. If you found this useful, give it a like and subscribe. I post practical, science-backed garden tips every week. And drop a comment below. What pests are you battling this season? I'd love to help. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy the next video on the $3 mosquito trap that actually works.